makes learning fun. Come sing, dance, everyone now. Yay!
How about we sing some of our favorite Circle Time songs? Yes, let's do it. You can help me sing too. Get ready, get ready. Here we go.
If your name starts with A, clap your hands. Go, go. If your name starts with B, clap your hands. Go, go. If your name starts with C, or D, or E, or F. If your name starts with G, clap your hands. If your name starts with H, clap your hands. Go, go. If your name starts with I, clap your hands. Go, go. If your name starts with J, or K, L, or M. If your name starts with N, clap your hands. If your name starts with O, clap your hands. Go, go. If your name starts with P, clap your hands. Go, go. If your name starts with Q, or R, S, or T. If your name starts with U, clap your hands. If your name starts with V, clap your hands. Go, go. If your name starts with W, clap your hands. Go, go. If your name starts with X, or Y, or Z, clap your hands. Clap your hands.
March, 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 march. Are we ready, letters? Let's get out there and help all of our friends learn our names and our sounds. We are the letters, if you haven't heard. Just put us together, we can make some words. We all make sounds, some of us have two. Don't forget our vowels, A-E-I-O-U. We are the letters, if you haven't heard. Just put us together, we can make some words. We all make sounds, some of us have two. Don't forget our vowels, A-E-I-O-U. March, 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 march. March, 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 march.
Hi, friends.
We are the letters.
Did you know every letter makes a sound? Some of us have two sounds. Did you know if you put us together, we make words?
Would you like to learn with us today?
Oh, great. Let's get started.
What's the letter of the day?
It's me!
What's your name?
Hi, I'm letter B. I'm uppercase B, and this is lowercase b.
Well, it's nice to meet you, letter B. Everyone, this is letter B. Wave to letter B. Hello, letter B. Hello, letter B. Hello, letter B. We're happy you're here today.
Did you know I'd make a special sound?
You do? Well, I do know that all letters have sounds. What sound do you make?
Every letter makes a sound, and letter B says,
It does. You say, b, b. That's right. I bet we can think of things that start with your special sound. Do you know of any letter B words?
I can think of one. What B for baby?
Baby. B, baby. Can you say that, friends? Say the sound. B, baby. Oh, that was a good one. Do you have any more letter B?
Yeah, B for ball.
Ball. B, ball. Friends, let's say it together. Say the sound first and then the word. B, ball. That was great. How about another letter B?
B for boots.
Boots. I like to wear boots. Friends, let's say the sound and then say boots. Here we go. Boots. That's right. Ooh, these are really good. How about one more letter B?
How about B for boat?
Ooh, boat. Boat. Friends, let's try the sound and then say the word boat. Here we go. Boat. That's right. Yay! Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you, Miss Monica.
It was nice meeting you. I hope to see you again soon. Bye, letter B.
Bye, friend.
Friends, say bye to letter B. Bye, letter B. Oh, friends, it's time for us to go back into the classroom. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Before we say goodbye, how about we listen to a story about our special letter of the day? Letter B. Are you ready? Okay, sit down, put on those listening ears, and make sure your looking eyes are looking at the easel. I'm going to read a story about letter B. Here we go. Story by letter B. Hi, I'm B. I can be a big bee and sometimes even small. I like bananas and biscuits. I like to bounce the ball with my letter B friends. I make a special sound that people love to use. Can you say my sound? B, b. My sound can help make words like baby, boat, and ball. I sing my sound all day long. B, bus, bug, brown. I like to ride on my blue bike. Woohoo! I hope you learned a lot about me. I'm letter B. Now it's time to say goodbye. Bye-bye. Every letter makes a sound and B says D. D. Can you make that sound? Let's say it together. D. D. That's right. Oh, my friends, I bet there are lots of words that start with letter D. And you'll be able to hear that sound in the beginning of these words. D. Let's see if our friend Bear will help us with some letter D words. Oh, Bear!
Hey, my friends. So, I have a few words that begin with the letter D that I would like to share with you. Like dinosaur. Dinosaur. Another word that begins with the letter D, my friends, is door. Door. Did you knock on my door? And my last and final word that begins with D, my friends, is dance. Dance begins with the letter D. Dance. Hey, Freddy Frog, do your dance. All right.
Hi, friends. I'm letter L, and this is lowercase l. Did you know every letter makes a sound? Do you know what sound I make? Let me hear it. You're correct. L says ooh. Can you make that sound with me? Let's try. Ooh. Again. Ooh. That's right. L says ooh. I know some words that start with letter L. Oh, look at this picture. It's a ladder. Ladder starts with letter L. Ooh, ladder. Can you make the sound and also say the word ladder? Let's try. Ooh, ladder. Again. Ooh, ladder. You did it. The fireman is climbing up the ladder. I know another word that starts with letter L. Leaf. Everyone say leaf. Ooh, leaf. Leaf starts with letter L. Let's make the sound and say the word leaf. Here we go. Leaf. You did it. The boy is holding a leaf. I know another word that starts with letter L. Oh, look at the picture. Lunch. Lunch. The girls are having lunch. Lunch. Can you make that sound and say the word lunch? Here we go. Lunch. Lunch starts with letter L. You did it. I hope this was helpful, friends. Would you like to play a game?
Yay!
I have a special game. We're going to find out which animal begins with the letter L. Will you help me?
Yay!
Great! Let's play. Bear. Does bear start with letter L? Let's make the sound in the beginning of the word bear. Bear. Does that start with the L sound?
No.
No. Bear does not start with letter L. Let's go to the next animal. It's a dog. Does dog start with letter L? Dog. Dog. Do you hear the letter L sound?
No.
No. Dog does not start with letter L. It starts with letter D. Let's go to the next animal. Elephant. Elephant. Let's say the beginning sound. Elephant. Again. Elephant. Do you hear the L sound in the beginning?
No.
Oh, no. Not at the beginning of the word. Elephant starts with letter E, not letter L. Let's go to the next animal. Lion. Lion. Let's say the sound at the beginning of the word. Lion. Lion. Does lion start with letter L?
Yay!
Yes, it does. You're correct. Lion. Lion starts with letter L. You did it.
Every letter makes a sound, and S says S. S. Can you make that sound with me? Let's do it together. S. Again. S. One more time. S. That's right. S is our letter of the day. Oh, maybe koala knows some words that start with letter S. Oh, koala.
Yes.
Hi. Hi, koala.
Hi, Miss Monica.
Do you know words that start with letter S?
Yes, I do.
Oh, great. Will you share them with us?
I certainly will.
Wonderful.
Okay, friends, so you know every letter makes a sound, and S says S. A few words that begin with the letter S is snake. I don't like snakes. Another word that begins with the letter S, friends, is snacks. Koala likes snacks. And my last and final word that begins with the letter S is snail. Snail. Snails move slow. Thanks for learning with me, friends. Bye.
Good day, friends. I'm letter F. Did you know every letter makes a sound? And letter F says, can you try and make that letter sound? F says, now you try. You did it! Great job! Do you know some words that begin with the letter F? I do. Like fun. F is for fun. I like to have fun. Do you like to have fun? We all like to have fun. Okay, F is for funny. I am funny. Can I tell you a joke, friends? Can I try and make you laugh? Okay. Why is B the coolest letter? Because it's between the AC. That was funny. Thank you for having fun with me, friends. Oh, friends begin with the letter F. That was an extra word. Oh my, we learned so much. Thanks for having fun with me, friends.
Every letter makes a sound, and R says R. R. Can you try and make that sound? R. One more time. R. That's right. I bet our friend Piggy Pig knows some words that start with letter R. Let's ask her. Oh, Piggy Pig.
I know words that start with letter R. R for rainbow. Rainbow. I saw a rainbow in the sky. Rainbow starts with letter R. Another word that starts with letter R is rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit starts with letter R. The rabbit hopped across the grass. Rabbit. One more word that starts with letter R. Robot. Robot. I have a toy robot. Those are my letter R words.
Hey friends, I'm letter A. Do you want to make a word? Great! I'm going to invite some friends to join me. Hey letter C, letter T, it's time to play. Let's make a word.
I love that game.
Me too. Let's get in line. Now, let's take turns and say our letter sounds. Friends, you can repeat after us. At. Let's do it again. At. Now, let's do it faster. Come on, friends. You can do it too. At. What's the word?
I think it says cat.
Cat. Cat.
Meow.
We did it.
Yay!
Thanks for playing, friends.
There's a letter of the day. I wonder what it is. Drum roll, please.
It's G. Hi, friends. I'm letter G, and this is lowercase g.
Hi, letter G.
Do you know that every letter makes a sound? And G says G.
That's correct. G says G. G. Friends, will you try and make that sound? Let's do it together. G. Again. G. Letter G. Do you know words that start with the letter G?
Yes, I do. G for girl. G. Girl. G for gift. G. Gift. And G for guitar. G. Guitar.
Oh, wonderful. All of those words do start with letter G, and they start with the sound G. Say it one more time, friends. G. That's right. Oh, thank you, letter G.
I had so much fun today, friends. Have fun at Sweetland. Bye.
Bye, letter G. Everyone wave. Bye, letter G. M. Letter M. Can you say M? Again, say M. That's right. Every letter makes a sound, and M says mmm. Watch my lips. Listen. Mmm. Can you make that sound? Try it with me. Mmm. One more time. Mmm. You got it. Yay.
Hi, friends. I'm letter M. Did you know every letter makes a sound? Do you know what sound I make? You do? Let's hear it. That's right. M says, mmm. Say it with me, friends. Mmm. M says, mmm. M for Monday. Today is Monday. M for monster. Ooh. I'm scared of monsters. And M for moon. Look up in the sky. Do you see the moon? What sound does M make, friends? That's right. M says, mmm. You did it. Thanks for learning with me. Goodbye.
Every letter makes a sound, and G says G. G. Oh, can you make that sound with me? Here we go. G. One more time. G. Oh, I bet our friend Piggy Pig knows some words that start with letter G. Let's ask her.
I know words that start with letter G. Okay, my first letter G word is grapes. G for grapes. I like to eat grapes. I like green grapes and red grapes. My second letter G word is garden. Garden. G for garden. I like to plant with my mom in the garden. My last letter G word is guitar. Guitar. G for guitar. I like to play the guitar. Do you play an instrument? I hope you enjoyed learning new letter G words. Bye, friends!
Letters. It's time to sing the ABCs to our friends at home. Are we ready? Yeah, let's go! All right, letters, let's get to it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Every letter makes a sound, and H says, can you try and make that sound? Again. That's right.
Okay, let's see. Words that start with the letter H. Hat. Look at my hat. Hat begins with the letter H. Let's see. Another word that begins with the letter H. Hot. Look. Fire is hot. Woo! And for my last and final word that begins with H is home. How many of my friends are home watching this right now? Home begins with the letter H. Thanks for learning with me, friends. See you later. Bye.
Every letter makes a sound, and C says k, k. Can you say that sound? K, k. You did it.
I know a few words that begin with the letter C, like car. Car. Another word that begins with the letter C is candy. Candy. I love candy. And for my final word that begins with the letter C,
Every letter makes a sound, and T says t, t. Can you make that sound? Let's try it. T, t. You did it. Oh, I bet there are words that start with letter T, and they probably make that sound at the beginning. T, t. I wonder if Bear Bear will help us find some letter T words.
Morning, friends. I have a few words that begin with the letter T, like table. Table. I left my book on the table. Another word that begins with T, friends, is taco. Taco. I love tacos. Thanks for learning with me, friends.
carrot. Thanks for learning with me today. I had so much fun.
Hi, friends. I'm Patty Paper. Are you having a great first day of school? I hope you are. I'm so excited to be here. I'm here to share the letter of the day. The letter of the day is A. A says ah. I know a word that starts with that sound. Apple. Can you make that sound? Ah. Now say apple. Let's do it again. Apple. 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 We did it. Do you like apples? I love apples. I know another word that starts with the sound ah. Alligator. Can you say the sound ah? Now say alligator. Ah. Alligator. Ah. Alligator. What color is the alligator? It looks green. Thank you so much, friends, for saying the letter sounds with me.
Hi, friends. Will you sing the ABCs with me and Koala? Oh, great.
Get ready. Get ready.
Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Bye, friends.
We learned so much, we had fun, but it's time for us to say goodbye. But I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. It's time to say goodbye. 1, 2, 3, 4. Goodbye to all my friends. Goodbye to all my friends. Goodbye to all my friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. focusing on foundational skills such as handwriting and phonics that children will take with them and use for the rest of their lives. And so it all starts right here in this activity book, the Preschool Learning Alphabet and Handwriting Activity Book, presented by yours truly, Miss Monica, from Circle Time with Miss Monica.